Ever wondered if that Redfin estimate you saw for your dream home is actually, well, real? Today, we're diving deep into Redfin estimates to see if they're a magic crystal ball or just a guesstimating machine. First, let's understand what a Redfin estimate is. It's Redfin's automated valuation model, or AVM, that uses public data like property characteristics, recent sales, and market trends to calculate a home's estimated value. Think of it as a computer's opinion of your house's worth. Now, how accurate are they? Redfin openly states its margin of error, which varies by location generally. In hot markets with lots of comparable sales, they tend to be more accurate, but remember, it's not a substitute for a professional appraisal. Appraisals involve a physical inspection, considering unique features Redfin's algorithm might miss, like that stunning backyard oasis or the leaky roof. Market conditions also play a huge role in a rapidly changing market. Any automated estimate, including Redfin's, can lag behind real-time value shifts. Think of it like trying to predict the weather. Things change fast. So, what's the verdict? Redfin estimates can be a useful starting point for buyers and sellers to get a general sense of value. It's a conversation starter, not the final word. Always consult with a local real estate agent and consider a professional appraisal for the most accurate picture of your home's true worth. Don't rely solely on an algorithm to make potentially life-changing financial decisions. Thanks for watching.